In this training, we're going to be covering key Invisalign parameters. Now, before we could go over Invisalign parameters, we have to know and categorize the smiles you want to treat. Now, there are many smiles, all of these, but they all have to come to one final destination, which is a smile that's straight, aligned, healthy, and matches the facial features. And this is what we're going to be covering in this training. Now, to begin, we're going to learn the different smiles. In patients who have a gap between front teeth or any side teeth, that's a smile that has gaps between teeth. Now, the names are very simple. They usually try to explain what's going on in the smile. If there is a space between the top and bottom teeth, that's called an open bite. Bite is when you bite down the teeth. An open bite is when teeth don't come together. When we have teeth that are covered by the top teeth very deeply, that's called an overbite or a deep bite. Naturally, the top teeth should only cover 20 to 30% of the lower teeth. When they're covered about 50, 60% like in here, or 70, 80%, or even 100%, that's called a deep bite or an overbite because you're covering or going over the lower teeth. Generally straight teeth, that's when you have a mixture of crowding, spacing, teeth not aligned, a little bit of an open bite. Moving forward, crowded teeth could also show up where you have them leaning, they're not in the right position, and at this specific area, that's called a cross bite. There's a specific bite that shows multiple teeth that are in the wrong position. Naturally, the top teeth have to sit over the bottom teeth. However, at times you have the opposite where the lower teeth are moved out and the top teeth are pushed in, and you have what's called a cross bite, or they cross over their position. This specifically, if there's everything else is good, the cross bite is an issue. We mainly would refer that this is a generally crowding space with a cross bite in the front because the back looks normal. An underbite is when all of the front teeth are going in front of the upper teeth, and that's called an underbite. Naturally, the teeth are supposed to be that the top are over the bottom. Here, it's an underbite. Now, moving forward, now that we know what all of these are, and you can stop the video and take a picture, there's gaps, there's an open bite, there's crowding, there's a this is an open bite with crowding. The teeth aren't coming together. This is a deep bite and this is a cross bite. In all of these, we want to move to this final destination.